In a big leap towards India's fight against COVID-19, Nagpur-based National Environmental Engineering Research Institute (NEERI), under the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, has transferred the know-how of the indigenously developed saline gargle RT-PCR technique used for testing COVID-19 samples to Union Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Ministry, or in short MSME. Ever since the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic, India has been making multiple strides in augmenting its testing infra and capacity. This technology was developed to augment India's testing capacity when the nation needed it the most. So now let's understand this technology in detail. What is the saline gargle RT-PCR? The saline gargle method offers a bunch of attractive benefits all rolled into one. This RT-PCR technology is simple, fast, cost-effective, patient-friendly and comfortable, which provides instant test results and is well suited for rural and tribal areas given minimal infra requirements. How is it better than swab collection methods? Well, swab collection methods require time. Moreover, since it is an invasive technique, it is a bit uncomfortable for patients. Sometimes it is also lost in transport of the sample to collection center. On the other hand, the saline gargle RT-PCR method is instant, comfortable and patient-friendly, where sampling is done instantly and results are generated within 3 hours. The saline gargle RT-PCR is so simple that the patients themselves can collect the sample. Where swab collection method requires technical expertise, the saline gargle RT-PCR method uses a simple collection tube filled with saline solution. The patient gargles the solution and rinses it inside the tube. This sample in the collection tube is taken to the laboratory where it is kept at room temperature in a special buffer solution prepared by NEERI. An RNA template is produced when this solution is heated, which is further processed for RT-PCR. This particular method of collecting and processing the sample enables us to save on the otherwise expensive setup required for RNA extraction. Most importantly, this method is environment friendly since waste generation is minimized. This technology is a boon for testing in rural and tribal areas since setting up expensive testing centers is a big constraint in remote regions of the country. In fact, the developers of this technique called for a need to implement the saline gargle RT-PCR pan-India. This transfer of technology know-how to MSME would enable the innovation to be commercialized and licensed to all capable parties, including private, government and various rural developmental schemes and departments. The licenses are expected to set up manufacturing facilities for commercial production in the form of easily usable compact kits. In the light of the prevailing pandemic situation and probable third wave of COVID-19, CSIR NEERI fast-tracked the know-how transfer process to potential licensees for its wider dissemination across the nation. This would further result in faster and more citizen-friendly testing and thereby strengthen India's fight against COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to know more about how India keeps fighting back and winning over the COVID-19.